Moonshot AI has officially launched world's best open-source AI models yet, Kimi K2.6, a powerful new model that is already outperforming leading systems like Opus 4.6. In this video, I will show you how much powerful it is and how to use it. This launch is another strong signal that open source may be the future of AI, as the gap between closed and open models is shrinking rapidly, with open models now leading in some areas. K2.6 is built for real work like advanced coding, deep reasoning, research, content creation, autonomous agents, and complex multi-step tasks. It can build websites, generate presentations, analyze files, solve problems, and automate workflows with impressive speed and accuracy. What makes this even bigger is accessibility, because instead of being locked behind expensive subscriptions or closed platforms, powerful open models give developers, creators, and businesses the freedom to build without limits. This is no longer just a race between companies. It is becoming a race between closed AI and open AI. And with Kimi K2.6 entering the battlefield, the future just got a lot more interesting. This chart shows that Kimi K2.6 is seriously impressive and is beating top models like GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro in several important benchmarks. It takes the top spot in tests like Humanity's Last Exam, BrowseComp, Terminal Bench 2.0, and SWE Bench Pro, which means it performs really well in reasoning, browsing, coding, and tool-based tasks. And pricing is where Kimi K2.6 becomes even more impressive. It charges just 95 cents per 1 million input tokens, $4 per 1 million output tokens, and only 16 cents for cache hit input tokens. That workflows, large-scale apps, or AI agents. So along with strong performance, Kimi K2.6 also brings pricing that makes advanced AI far more accessible. So now, let's see how you can use this powerful model right on your desktop. First, head over to Kimi.com. Once you enter the chat interface, you'll see multiple Kimi 2.6 model options designed for different types of work. There's Instant for quick answers and everyday tasks, Thinking for deeper reasoning and step-by-step problem solving, Agent for more advanced jobs like building apps, researching topics, or handling multi-step workflows, and finally Swarm, which is one of the most powerful modes available. Swarm is built for large and complex tasks that need serious performance. It can run multiple agents at the same time, combine their outputs, and deliver highly detailed results with impressive visuals. That makes it useful for bigger projects where speed, quality, and parallel work matter. One of the biggest strengths of Kimi is how well it handles large amounts of data. It can process long documents, organize information, generate hundreds of resumes, help with research, and create polished outputs quickly. It is also surprisingly strong at image generation and visual tasks, making it useful for creators as well as professionals. Now, let's test one of its coolest features, the Slides panel. Just open the Slides section and type any topic you want. Then you can choose the style of presentation, whether you want it more informative or more visual, and select a template that matches your needs. After that, hit Generate, but the final result usually comes with strong design, useful information, and presentation-ready slides that look professionally made. So now the slides are ready. I went through them, and honestly, they're really impressive. The content is clear, well-structured, and gives a very beginner-friendly guide on the topic. It doesn't just look good visually. The information inside is actually useful and easy to understand. And if you want to make changes, you can edit everything right here inside the editor, just like Canva. You can adjust text, layout, visuals, and overall style without needing any extra tools.
Now let's move to the next task, website building. I'm pasting the prompt, and this time I'm selecting the liquid glass template because I want to see how that style looks on a real website. It is taking a bit more time than some other AI platforms, but you can tell it's doing a lot in the background, generating custom images, visuals, and even videos to use inside the site. All right, the website is ready. Let's check it out. Oh, wow, just look at that header video. That looks amazing and honestly feels perfect for a meditation website. The whole first impression feels premium and calming. The images it generated are also really nice. There are a few sections that could be improved further, but overall, the design quality is seriously impressive. And look at the ending section too, very clean and stylish. What surprised me even more is that it also created a login page automatically without me even asking for it. That kind of attention to detail is rare. And I'm telling you, honestly, I've created hundreds of websites using different AI website builders, but this feels like another level. It has great design taste, the layouts feel clean, and the UI has real impact instead of looking generic. You can also access the code, check the mobile version, and if you're happy with the result, you can deploy it directly. Here are some other websites it created as well. Look at this one. It built a 3D world using 3.js and React. And this one really impressed me. A see-through fabric effect with natural light passing through it, while the cloth moves realistically in the wind, all running live inside the browser. That's seriously cool. Kimi is also well known for coding tasks, so if you want to try that side of it, just head over to Kimi Code and paste the setup command in your terminal to get started. And the good news is, you can also run open source versions powered by Kimi models on the cloud, desktop, or even your phone. Overall, Kimi K2.6 feels like one of the best AI models available right now, and I'm really excited to try it locally on my own machine too. Let me know in the comments how you would use it. Thanks for watching this video.